Welcome back, fam. Today we're going to be getting into how we make our infused shampoo bar. I'm not even going to hold you. We just about to jump right on into it. Period. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're getting into how we make our infused shampoo bar. We do not do what everybody else do. We literally make it like it's a soap, but I do not recommend you using it on your body. It is specifically for your hair. It is infused with Chevy powder as well as Baringe, or I think it's Baringe powder. I don't know exactly how to say it, but I am going to put the words on the screen so you can see exactly what your girl is trying to say. Typically what I do is I put it in my mixture, my ingredients goes in a container. I let it infuse for about 2 to 4 weeks. It just depends on when I need to make the bar, but I let it infuse for a minimum of 2 weeks before I even try to make the bar. This does have shea butter in it, as well as a coconut fragrance. You smell more of the infusion than you do the coconut, but it blends very, very well. So I'm just going to show you guys what my process is. I'm not going to talk as much as I would normally do in these type of videos, only because I am super tired and I just need to save my voice. So I'm going to let y'all watch the video. Alright, so now it's time for us to get into the demolding of these bars. I used two different molds. One is a 4-ounce mold and the other one is a 2-ounce mold. They are both circle molds. As you saw earlier, you saw me kind of struggle a little bit with tapping these down. The formula gets very thick towards the end. Like when I first started scooping it, it was the consistency was good enough for me to smack it down and then keep going. But the longer it sits out, the thicker it gets. So it gets harder to flatten it in the mold. But like I said, I did my best. So this is what the 4-ounce mold would look like. And then you're going to see me pop this out of the mold and show you that. And then I'm also going to show you what the 2-ounce mold looks like, and then you will also see what they look like next to each other in size. So this is the 4-ounce round bar right here. They are $9.99, and like I said, they are infused with Chevy powder as well as Orange powder, which is something that they use in India on their hair. So this is typically what the bar looks like. It does have a little weight to it, and it lathers amazingly. Now here we are demolding the 2-ounce rounds, and this is what they look like. So as you can see, it is a little bit smaller. This one does kind of have a little weight to it too, and this is what they look like side by side, so you can see the difference. The smaller 2-ounce rounds are going to go for $6.99, and like I said, the 4-ounce rounds are $9.99. Right now I only have 2 of these in stock, which is the 4-ounce round, which you see here, and then these will actually come out later this month, beginning of next month. And then I'm also going to make another shampoo bar with a different formulation, and I can't wait to see what that one turns out to be like. So if you are interested in this, shop our website, and as always, thanks for watching.